Okay, so she says, sometimes it is so hard to persist when you see things in 3D still the same. My SP is with me and I want to manifest marriage in a house, but when she hears him talking, it just discourages her and she feels like giving up. Listen, I completely understand. The 3D seems so real, especially if you are seeing something that is right in front of your face. You're like, you know what? This seems impossible. I'm trying to live in my mind as if I have what I want right now. But then what is going on in front of me? They are telling me the complete opposite of what I am manifesting. This is the whole thing with consciously manifesting what you want. You need to understand that the only real reality that exists is the reality that you are living in your mind. Once you live in your mind as if you are that person right now, or you have what you have right now, it will then get projected out into the 3D, and that is when the 3D shifts. But if you keep looking at the 3D as real and you keep getting triggered by circumstances, or you keep reacting to what is going on in front of you, then the same thing keeps recreating. You just have to keep reminding yourself that the 3D is old news. The 3D is just a reflection to what you have been thinking and assuming previously. So why are you going to react and let old news get to you? And if he says anything to you that is in opposition of what you want to manifest, just revise and keep persisting no matter what. If you give up, you are giving up on yourself. You have come too far. Do not give up. You got this. Follow me for more tips.